नमस्कार नमस्कारा स्वागतम सुस्वागतम कसकाई केमचो राधे राधे जय जगन्नाथ salam alaikum. This is your Sutradhar Tista and I welcome each and everyone on this very special 3 days trivia days where we celebrate 35th annual meet of Life Insurance Study Circle of Kolkata. And this year's vision and mission has been shaping the future. So I welcome heartily all our distinguished guests and esteemed members here. Today is day 1, the inauguration day, where we will all be witnessing some amazing moments. This is a platform where we can actually come together and explore the world of ideas, discuss the latest trends and take opportunity for us to engage in intellectual discussions and learn from each other's experiences. As we embark on this journey, I encourage each and everyone present here to duly participate in each and every session. Today हम लोग प्रदीप प्रज्वलित करते हैं, which is a symbol of wisdom, which is a symbol of giving us enlightenment, which is a symbol of showing us the path to the future. So today, being embarking and embracing the 3 days knowledgeable seminars, we will start off with this amazing day with the lamp lighting ceremony, and I will take the honor of calling upon the dignitaries for the lamp lighting ceremony. I will take the honor of calling upon Sister Ashmita to please come up on stage for the lamp lighting ceremony. I will take the honor of calling upon Sir R. Gopinath Sir to please come up on stage for the lamp lighting ceremony. Requesting the gracious presence of Mr. Sanjay Gurnani Sir to please come up and join hands for the lamp lighting ceremony. Requesting Mr. Alok Chakraborty Sir, who is the President of Life Insurance Study Circle, to please come up and grace the occasion. Requesting Mr. K.K. Paul Chaudhary, who is the Secretary of Life Insurance Study Circle, to please come up on stage for the lamp lighting ceremony. Ladies and gentlemen, বিঘ্নহর্তা का नाम लेते हुए आज हम लोग यहाँ पर প্রদীপ প্রজ্বলিতের যে রীতিটা রয়েছে সেটা আমরা শুরু করব, শুভ সূচনা করব আমাদের এই শুভ দিনের। সবাইকে আরেকবার করে বলবো, যখন আমাদের প্রদীপ প্রজ্বলিতর এই প্রথাটা হবে, আমাদের গণেশ বন্দনা চলবে, সেই সময় সকলকে উঠে দাঁড়ানোর জন্য। Very warm and smiling welcome, and ladies and gentlemen, we are truly blessed with the presence of Sister Ashmita here. But before we hear her inauguration speech and her speech which is dedicated to all of you present here, let us take the opportunity to welcome her in our way, and I will request Ms. Ranjana Chatterjee, agent of City VR10, to please come up on stage and welcome her with a flower bouquet. And in this meanwhile, let me take and utilize this time to give a snapshot of brief about Brahmakumari Ashmita. Her school and college education was coupled with the spiritual studies in a peaceful environment at the Global Brahmakumari Center in Chandigarh, and slowly blossomed into deep interest and love for spirituality-based lifestyle. The turning point in her life came in Fiji Islands, where while teaching at Nandi College, she had the initial opportunity to share her spiritual experiences through numerous lectures, programs, radio talks, and public meetings, while participating as one of the national coordinators in an international project called Million Minutes of Peace, dedicated to the United Nations. She is now in Kolkata since 1990, where she has served as a Raja Yoga teacher. Ladies and gentlemen, I will urge each and everyone present here to give a round of applause to Sister Ashmita present here. And now I leave the stage this moment, this morning, to Sister Ashmita for her inauguration address and her speech. Ask all of you, how did you like the session? Is this right? So it was definitely an eye-opener and most importantly, heart-opener. तो चलिए, इतना अच्छा बढ़िया सेशन और इतना अच्छे से समझाने के लिए, बहुत सिंपल सी चीज़ है लेकिन हम वो समझ ही नहीं पाते हैं, तो वो एक बिटवीन द लाइन्स समझाने के लिए we are really Thank you so much. And now I will request Ms. Lakshmi Ghosh Poddar, agent from Koshwa, to please come up on stage, and we would really like to hand over a small memento, a small token of love and appreciation from Life Insurance Study Circle, Kolkata, and this will be our honor to provide. Yes, this is something out of respect that we will be witnessing here. আমি একটা start করছি. Let's see how many of you actually remembers it. Okay, start হচ্ছে. Let me ask you, Baba Black Sheep.
Have you any wool?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
3 bags full.
One for the. Let me ask you, one for the. Her collection. One for the. One for the.
Master.
One for the.
Master.
Master already sir bole diyechen, so 3 bags full. One for the master. One for the. 10. Okay.
One for the little boy.
Who lives down the. Okay, so this is something that we have lane. Who lives down the lane? So, আমরা এই যে কবিতাটা রয়েছে, it resembles and holds a special nostalgic place in our heart when we say Baba Black Sheep. We actually start off with our childhood with this recitation, Baba Black Sheep, এবং we actually go it and transfer this legacy to the generation that are to come. মানে আমি আমার ছেলে মেয়েকে তো বাবা ব্ল্যাক শিপটা অবশ্যই শেখাবো. So আমি কেন এটা বললাম আমি বলছি because the business session that we will be a part of it and we will be on it will be none other than by Mr. Arindam Bokshi, and his topic is Baba Black Sheep. So let me take the honor of giving a snapshot or brief about our next speaker of the upcoming session of Baba Black Sheep, Mr. Arindam Bokshi, the founder, partner and principal consultant of Wealth and Wellness, is an alumnus of Narendrapur Ramakrishna Mission and Jadavpur University with an MBA in Insurance and Financial Planning. With a PG certification in Management from IIT Kharagpur, he has led national training programs for SEBI and state education boards of Assam, Nagaland and West Bengal. He expertised himself in capital markets, MF derivatives, risk management and financial planning to manage a portfolio of whopping 230 crores wealth of more than 1,000 of his clients along all the way covering the globe. Empaneled with TSP, BlackRock, Nippon MF and NSA Academy. His 25 years of excellence in finance and wealth management paved the way to be what he is today. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for our next business session of the topic Baba Black Sheep, covered by none other than Mr. Arindam Bokshi, requesting Shonatan Noshkar, agent of Parayapur branch, to escort him to the stage, and we would take this opportunity of welcoming our speaker, Mr. Arindam Bokshi sir, with the flower bouquet here on stage. Post his welcome here, we will be witnessing an amazing eye-opener session, the session named as Baba Black Sheep. So, a very warm welcome again here on stage, and the session is on. আমি বলছি স্যার এতবার বিরিয়ানি বলেছেন যে আমার এখানে ব্যাকস্টেজে খিদে পেয়ে গেছে, খিদে বলতে মনে পড়ে গেল লাঞ্চ টাইম. So this will be one of the toughest time that you will be facing because Bhadhum is very difficult, you know, but to stay awake during the Bhadhum period. So আমরা কি করব, একটা ছোট্ট এক্সারসাইজ করব যাতে করে সবাই হয়ে যায়. কি করতে হবে, একটা হাত এরকম খোলা রাখতে হবে আর একটা হাতের একটা আঙুল নিতে হবে. So
one, when I say one, you have to just do it like this. When I say two, two fingers. When I say three, three fingers. So it goes on 5 and which is how much? Everyone. Okay. So can we do it together? I have only heard a yes from here. Can we do it all together? Yes? Chalo, let's. আমি মনে হচ্ছে এখন এখানে এসে অনেক একটু ছোট্ট ন্যাপ দিয়ে দিয়েছে। পাওয়ার ন্যাপ অলরেডি হয়ে গেছে আবার যা বলা আছে। ওকে। সো ওয়ান হ্যান্ড হিয়ার। এভরিওয়ান কোথায় সবার একটা হাত? আরেকটা আঙুল দিয়ে। ওয়ান। না, আপনাকে বার করতে হবে, আপনাকে শুধু আওয়াজ করতে হবে। খুব অল্প আস্তে। টু। হচ্ছে। থ্রি। ফোর। Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome, and let's start off with a post-lunch session. And before we start off, let me tell you, I think everyone knows, Dare to Dream, Prepare to Win is the session that we will all be a part of. Just a reminder before we go on, please, T-shirt day is on the third day of this celebration, so please get yourself the t-shirt of your desired size before it stops out. Mobile gulo silent e rakhben, seat please change korben na, and feedback form individually day 1, day 2, day 3 আছে। তো day 1 এর feedback formটা অবশ্যই fill up করে আজকে আমাদের event শেষে please জমা দিয়ে দেবেন। Now ladies and gentlemen, let me take the honor of calling upon the dignitary here who will be presenting the Dare to Dream, Prepare to Win on this particular session. Ladies and gentlemen, Sir R. Gopinath will be taking up the session, and I will request Mr. Shantanu Shaw, agent of Shyambajar, to please come up on stage and welcome Sir with a flower bouquet. In the meanwhile, I will give you a basic brief about Sir R. Gopinath. He is a graduate in mathematics, has done a special study of Tamil inscriptions, holds a postgraduate diploma in business administration from the Annamalai University, can speak up to 8 energetic session, and also for gifting each and everyone a selfie. Even if they forget to click a picture, they will have this memory of your session. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, means a lot. Thank you, sir.